It's been quite a long time since we have seen such boats being used. This is an old fishing boat, locally called duck rear or goat-chan boat. It was previously the main tool for Phuket fishermen to go out fishing. Somkid Sechua, owner of the boat, said, "There are only 25 goat-chan boats remaining in Phuket. He keeps them for younger generations to learn about." He said, "There were plenty of them in this Goat-chan canal in the old days. The builders are now getting old, so they stop. Some passed away. New generations do not build them. We used to have over 10, but now we only have 5 left." Goat-chan means fishing ring net, originally from the mainland of China. The fishermen would use the net with the unique fishing boat. The boat was presumably introduced in Phuket by the early Chinese immigrants who sought ways to make a living. The Goat-chan boat existed since before I was born, probably 100 years ago. It's not that long, about 5 to 6 meters. It's not so big and not easy to capsize. You can take it out alone. The Goat-chan boat is mostly for net fishing. It can take 3 to 4 passengers to tour around Phuket Bay. The rear part, which is similar to a duck shape, is the prominent character of this boat. The whole boat is made of wood. Damar gum glue is used to connect wooden planks. The small boat has a maximum carrying capacity of 8 passengers. The stream, which continues to flow downwards, is disappearing like the Goat-chan boat. At present, it's rare to see such types of boats. With the efforts to preserve the old boat, today we can see the duplicate of Goat-chan boats decorated on street lamps along Bang Yai Canal in the Phuket city area from Goat-chan Bridge in the Phuket city downtown to Phuket Bay at Sakan Hin. At present, the old fishing boats are adjusted to fit today's lifestyle. The Goat-chan boat, which may not fit in the commercial fishing industry today, is used to serve tours at Phuket Bay and nearby islands. The idea aims at maintaining the Goat-chan boat for the present generation to feel and make sure that this unique type of boat is not just a historical legend for Phuket's old fishing boats.